Selflessness, we see in Karbala. Anybody who connects himself to Karbala, we see that in him. The best example of altruism, we see it in Arba'in. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. I want to make a very, very good dua. Raise your hand. Oh Allah, grant us the visitation of Imam Hussein alayhi salam in this Arba'in and every Arba'in. Say Ilahi Ameen. You see beauty in Arba'in. You see Iman in Arba'in. You see altruism in Arba'in. Selflessness in Arba'in. People don't care about themselves at all. They go to out of their comfort zone for everything within everything that they have. It's not about me anymore. Arba'in. 10 days to 15 days. Come and see the beauty. You won't find it anywhere in this world. I challenge anybody, find me 27 to 28, 20 million people. Get to Najaf and Karbala. They fed, shelter, massage, clothes, washing clothes. Everything that you imagine, they give it to you for free. Name me. Name me. Because they learned, okay, we are serving the cause of Imam Hussein alayhi salam, completely selfless. It's not about me. We went to a place, we were about to sleep. There's a person sitting by the beginning of the tent. At the end of the night, they close the tent so people are sleeping. And he had a blanket next to him, waiting for 2 or 3 more people to come, and then he will close the tent. We got to them, we were like, it was about 5 of us. We got to him, 3 of us, we got a blanket, and it was cold. It was really, really cold. He said, I have only 4, and the last one, I don't have any more blankets, but let him come in. He took his blanket, the one who owns the tent, he gave his blanket for all of us to sleep. I woke up in the middle of the night to go do wudu and for salah and so on and so forth. I saw him, he's sleeping and he doesn't have anything on it. With blankets, my friend and I, we were shivering with blankets. Selfless. He enjoys doing this. Many of them, sleepless night. He said, Sheikh, from night until the morning, we prepare the food. During the day, we serve. Some of them, they don't sleep 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, they don't sleep. They just keep working and working and working and working to serve the Zawar. They said, we want to provide the best service for the Zawar, Imam Hussein alayhi salam. Who taught them this? Imam Hussein alayhi salam. Let's have a loud salawat. Altruism. That's what we need to practice. That's why Ziyaratul Arba'in becomes a sign of a believer. Imam Hassan Askari alayhi salam states that a believer has 5 signs. One of them is Ziyaratul Arba'in. Why? Because when you come to Arba'in and you see what people do for the Zawar Imam Hussein alayhi salam, how people sacrifice their time, their money, everything that they have for the sake of Imam Hussein alayhi salam, when we come back to America, we think not about us and ourselves anymore. We think about others. Because we saw. That makes a believer a believer.